AI data centers are about to devour more memory chips than the entire consumer electronics industry combined, and supply is so tight that shortages could drag on until 2028. Prices for key memory tech are skyrocketing, and the companies that make the tools, interfaces, and inspection systems powering this boom, they're positioned for explosive gains. What if you could get in on 5 under-the-radar plays before Wall Street fully wakes up? Stocks tied directly to the AI memory supercycle that most investors are still sleeping on. Stay with me, because ignoring this could mean missing one of the biggest wealth creation opportunities in semiconductors this decade. Stock number 1, Rambus RMBS. Rambus has evolved from a pure IP licensing powerhouse into a critical player in memory interface chips and subsystems. They design high-speed memory interfaces, controllers, and IP that enable faster data movement in AI servers, data centers, and high-performance computing. Think DDR5 registering clock drivers, RCDs, PMICs, and emerging RDIMM technologies that boost bandwidth and efficiency. AI workloads demand exponentially more memory bandwidth. Rambus sits right in the middle, powering the signal integrity and connectivity for next-gen modules. Their pivot to products has expanded their TAM significantly, with strong positioning in DDR5 and HBM-related IP. Financially, in Q1 2026, latest reported, revenue reached $180.2 million, up 8% YOY, with product revenue growing 15% YOY to $88 million, driven by DDR5 strength. Non-GAAP EPS was 63 cents. They guided Q2 revenue to roughly $186 to $206 million range, with continued product momentum and strong cash flow from operations at $83.2 million in the quarter. Major catalysts include the ongoing DDR5 platform ramps, RDIMM adoption, HBM for e-memory controller IP, and hyperscalers designing custom AI chips that lean on Rambus IP. They hold solid market share, mid-40% in key DDR5 segments, with no immediate erosion. Long-term potential. With AI data center spend projected to keep climbing, Rambus is well-placed for sustained double-digit growth. It's a conviction name for investors betting on the memory bandwidth explosion. Building on the interface side, the actual manufacturing and inspection of these advanced chips require precision tools. That's where the next names shine. Stock number 2, Onto Innovation. Onto Innovation specializes in process control, metrology, inspection, and lithography solutions for semiconductor manufacturing. Their tools, think Dragonfly G5 for inspection and Atlas G6 for metrology, help detect defects, measure features at nanoscale, and ensure yield in advanced packaging and logic/memory production. Why it matters in 2026 plus. Advanced packaging like 2.5D/3D for HBM and gate-all-around transistors are exploding in complexity. Onto systems are essential for quality control in these high-value processes directly tied to AI chip ramps. Latest Q1 2026 results showed record revenue of $291.9 million, up 9.5% YOY, beating expectations with nearly 10% sequential growth. Strong demand in advanced packaging and nodes. Management is guiding for over 30% revenue growth in 2026 to above $1.3 billion, with Q2 revenue expected at $320 to $330 million and expanding margins. Catalysts, Dragonfly and Atlas platform wins at logic and HBM customers, volume purchase agreements, e.g. $240 million plus with an HBM leader, and software/analytics recurring revenue. AI-driven advanced packaging boom. Long-term, as packaging complexity grows with AI, Onto is positioned for outsized growth and margin expansion, a high-quality compounder in the memory ecosystem. Stock number 3, KLA Corporation, KLAC. KLA is the leader in process control and yield management, essentially the eyes and brains of the fab. Their inspection, metrology, and data analytics tools ensure chips are manufactured perfectly, which is vital for high-volume memory like DRAM and HBM. AI chips require near-perfect yields at advanced nodes and packaging. KLA benefits across foundry/logic 60%, memory 40%, heavily DRAM/HBM, and advanced packaging, which is exploding. Latest Q3 FY 2026 results ended March 31st, 2026 revenue $3.415 billion, up 11% YOY. Non-GAAP EPS $9.40 beat estimates. Strong performance driven by AI demand across memory and packaging. Catalysts, AI infrastructure build-out. Advanced packaging revenue targeting $1B in CY 2026. HBM/DRAM intensity and multi-year share gains. They expect continued growth into 2027. Long-term, KLA is a core holding for any semi/AI thesis. Consistent outperformance through cycles with structural AI tailwinds. Stock number 4, Lam Research LRCX. Lam Research excels in etch and deposition equipment, crucial for building the intricate layers in memory chips like DRAM, NAND, and HBM. Their tools enable the precision needed for higher densities and performance. Memory spending is rebounding strongly with AI-driven DRAM shortages and NAND recovery. Advanced packaging and logic also drive deposition/etch intensity. In Q3 FY 2026, March 2026 quarter, Lam delivered standout results highlighted by record DRAM revenue and the first $2 billion quarter for its Customer Support Business Group, CSBG. The company continued to benefit from strong AI-related demand, with solid year-over-year growth, healthy non-GAAP margins, and EPS that beat expectations. These numbers underscore the accelerating momentum in memory and packaging, with management pointing to multi-quarter visibility into fab investments. Earlier quarters in FY 2026, including the December period, already showed revenue strength around the $5.3+ billion level, setting a firm foundation for H2 acceleration. DRAM/HBM CapEx NAND conversion, advanced packaging, greater than 40% growth potential, and services. Agentic AI and KV cache demands boosting memory needs. Technology leadership in etch/deposition, deep process expertise, and high switching costs in fabs. Balanced exposure across memory and logic. Cyclicality, competition, and execution on ramps. Valuation can swing with sentiment. Position for multi-year AI-driven expansion. Memory intensity is a secular winner. Stock number 5, Applied Materials AM8. Applied Materials is a giant in semiconductor equipment, with leadership in deposition, etch, CMP, and more, key for memory fabrication and advanced nodes. They deliver the tools to deposit and shape materials at atomic levels. Leading-edge logic, HBM, and packaging all require their solutions. Record DRAM revenue and services strength highlight memory exposure. Latest Q2 FY 2026 results. Record revenue of $7.91 billion, up 11% YOY. GAAP EPS $3.51. Non-GAAP EPS $2.86, up 20% YOY. Gross margins at 50%. Semiconductor equipment business on track for greater than 30% growth in CY 2026. AI, computing acceleration, HBM/DRAM ramps, advanced packaging, and overall WFE growth. Dividend increases signal confidence. Broadest portfolio, process leadership, and massive scale. Services and installed base provide stability. Broader cyclical exposure, China restrictions, and competition. High market cap means big moves require big catalysts. A blue-chip way to play the entire semi/memory boom with strong execution. These 5, Rambus for interfaces and IP, Onto for inspection precision, KLA for yield mastery, Lam for etch/deposition muscle, and Applied for comprehensive manufacturing leadership, form a powerful basket for the memory and AI infrastructure supercycle. They're not just riding hype, they're delivering real revenue growth, margin strength, and technological moats in a market that's structurally shifting higher. The memory shortage narrative, combined with insatiable AI demand, creates urgency. Do your due diligence, size positions wisely, and consider dollar cost averaging, because in 2026 and beyond, the companies enabling better, faster memory aren't just participating. They're essential. If you're building a long-term portfolio, these deserve serious attention. Drop your thoughts below. Which one are you most excited about? Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Invest smart.